Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm on a road trip, a super safe COVID road trip. I'm in the Napa Valley today where everything is open. I'm here to do some wine tasting and to have a lunch. I'm in this beautiful place. This is called Ashes and Diamonds, and there's many places you can make reservations to go and enjoy a great time on your California road trip. This winery is on 30 acres, and you enter from a side street off Highway 29, and the side street is called Howard Lane. And they have a Purell thing right up front for healthy hands. Beautiful room where you come in to get your lunch. And for the picnic, they give you the wine list. So you order the wine bottle you want, and it's a very nice wine list. And then you get your tasting. So I have a hummus, and I have some pickled vegetables. And there's the focaccia bread there, fresh. There's some French cheese, bottled water, and chips. I'm going to dive into that, and some other pepperettes. So I'm taking a little walk to see this beautiful winery. So in there is where they make the wine and they store the barrels. And then out here is all the vineyards. So after lunch, you can take a little walk and look at all the grapes. The wine I'm drinking today is from Atlas Peak. That is Atlas Peak. It has a super rocky soil. It doesn't get that much water. It's pretty dry, the grapes are stressed, and it produces a really great cab. What I love about wine tasting is getting right into the vineyards. It's so quiet out here. I hear the birds chirping. I'm close to nature. This brings me home to where I grew up. It's August, and it's going to be harvest time in about 1 month. You can see the colors of the grapes are starting to turn. But I want to do a taste test. I'll let you know. It's pretty sour. I love walking through the vineyards. I get down low and I look at the grapes. I'm so excited. It's the moment to open the wine. And now it's time to pour and drink. And look at the foam on the wine. That's how you know you're getting a lot of air in it. Here I am in Napa Valley, enjoying this beautiful setting and beautiful scene. Yum. I've had such a fun time. I took a walk through the vineyards. I looked at the grapes. I even tried some. What a lot of fun. On a California COVID road trip, I gotta say, try stopping in Napa Valley. Outside of Sacramento, and there's a bypass here. See where all that green is? That gets flooded 6 feet during one part of the year when there's a lot of extra water up in Northern California. Right now, it looks like they're growing some green crop. I don't know what, but there was a lot of egrets in that and a lot of wildlife. The ducks come down here right when the water's fresh because the grains will float up to the top. It's really an amazing part of California. It's summertime, so it's dry, but we can tell they're growing something. I'm driving north on the 80, right by Sacramento. There's the 80 going off to Reno. Well, I'm going towards Tahoe right now. And right ahead is downtown Sacramento. Driving up the 80, it's amazing how you see all the pine trees. This is so different than the look in Napa Valley. It's up in the hills where there's the snow in the mountains here. And only 2 hours away from Napa Valley. The temperature here is 78 degrees. It was 88 in Napa Valley. So, you know, you get up in the stratosphere and the alpines and you have cooler weather. So here I am at Donner Ridge. Now, this is the famous story we learned in school about cannibalism. 81 people were on this route and they got struck by a very bad snowstorm, and 2 people of the Donner Party were murdered to be eaten because they ran out of food. Here I am at Donner Lake in California. Isn't that pretty? How fun to be on a road trip. I made a little road stop to go to the bathroom, and oh my gosh, it's so cool here. They've got this outdoor restaurant with the pine trees. Everybody's dining. The tables are distanced far apart. This looks so nice. What a great setting. It's called 50 in Truckee, California. And a restaurant with a great bathroom. Yay. And as you're driving, you get the first glimpses of Lake Tahoe right through these beautiful, majestic trees. There it is. Can you see it? And the sign tells you we're approaching state line. Kings Beach has all these cute little cottages right along the water. This side is the water side, and they look so retro. I mean, we're talking like, looks like it came right out of the 50s, which I love. I love that era. I have to say, I'm looking for people wearing masks. I'm seeing a lot of people wearing a mask, but then I see no masks. Kings Beach Recreational, and this is face mask coverings needed. This is a recreational area. There's a kids' playground. Kids are on the play structure. No masks. Okay, well, that's a family, obviously. So, I don't know. But it is outdoors and beautiful. It does look pretty busy, though, I have to say that. Those guys. All right. People outside. I just love the look of this retro stuff, though. All these cabins. It's just darling. California Nevada Resort Spa Center. Here is state line. We are entering the state of Nevada right this second. And what do we have here? We've got some gambling going on. We got the Tahoe Biltmore. Lay your money down. You got some gaming going on. And then all these places are known to have slot machines and gaming. All right. We're in Nevada now. As you drive along, you can just see the lake. Look how big Lake Tahoe is. It's huge. And down there you can see all the boats. They just leave them there on the docks of the houses below. This is called Crystal Bay Cove, and it's very high end. It's pretty expensive real estate to have lake houses right here. But you can see why. Those views are great. The color's gorgeous. Time to go grocery shopping. I need a few things. Grocery store, and it's great because it says these shopping carts are sanitized and ready to use. And there is no casino playing, I guess, during COVID. They say all out of order, and they have the bags on them. But everything else about the store is completely normal, totally packed with all kinds of great stuff. Easy shopping and not too crowded. I've arrived. There's the lake. Here is beautiful Lake Tahoe. Incline Village Shores. It's day 3 on my road trip, and I'm having the best time ever. I hope wherever you are, you're safe, you're happy, you're well, and maybe one day soon you can get on a road trip too. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching. I hope you're doing great wherever you are. Hope you're healthy and happy. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and thanks so much for watching. This has been a great day on this road trip. I hope you go on one soon.